They don't want to believe in Jesus, we trust, we they can believe. I don't know what it takes for them to believe. They know, 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 they know that Demon is not one of them. So stop playing with him. Again, we're dangerous to the bad.
Yeah, what's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to my video. Hey, shout out to my friend Don Millie. Is the one who was rapping on one of my beats. He said he liked one of my beats that I just dropped in all music distribution apps. And I've been seeing a lot of success, a lot of streams. Thank you guys for like showing the love. If you haven't heard my third beat tape, some beats too, the link will be on description down below. So anyways, thank you guys for streaming and everything. So in today's video, I'm going to make another Wick type beat, trap beat in FL Studio Mobile.
I've been saying it's been a while since I take a pic like this. Yeah, yeah.